What's up, guys? What's up? So welcome to another Austin Quest video, and today we're going to be reading about, today's video is going to be about, show you guys the first few pages, as always. Today we're going to be reading about seasons and climates. Okay? Alright, here we go. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and comment as well, and share this video. Alright, let's get started. Seasons and climate. The Earth not only orbits the Sun, but also rotates on its own axis as it does so. The Earth's axis is in fact tilted, meaning that neither of the Earth's poles faces the Sun directly. This tilted axis is responsible for weather and different climates. And as always, we're going to start with the quick cues. Alright, ready? What causes day and night? The Earth turning on its axis is responsible for day and night. At any time, half the Earth faces the Sun where it is day, and half faces away where it is night. Does the Sun really rise in the east? The Earth spins in an eastward direction. This makes the Sun appear as if it is rising in the east, setting in the west. Why are days longer in the summer and shorter in the winter? The angle at which sunlight falls on a particular area determines the length of day and night in that region. During summer, the sun stays above the horizon longer, making the days longer. What is the Coriolis effect? Sorry, I can't pronounce that word correctly. The wind moves to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. This is called the, and again I might pronounce this wrong again, Coriolis effect. It is caused by the Earth's rotation. It is mainly responsible for thunderstorms and hurricanes. Okay, you guys ready for the other questions and answers? All right, let's go. Question: how is weather different from climate? Sunlight falls at varying angles onto and the Earth's surface, heating up each of its regions differently. The difference in temperature eventually leads to different types of weather. A climate is when particular weather conditions prevail in a place for an extended period of time. So we can talk about the weather tomorrow or this month, but when we talk of climate, we are talking of much longer time periods, decades or even centuries. What is a season? A season is a period within a year defined by distinct weather. The tilt in the Earth's axis is responsible for seasons. In temperature and polar regions, 4 seasons are recognized: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Some tropical and subtropical regions have a rainy season, sometimes called a monsoon season, and a dry season, while others have hot, rainy, and cold seasons. What are the factors that influence weather on the Earth? The answer is the temperature, rainfall, wind, cloud, and atmosphere pressure are the main factors that influence weather patterns across the world. Wind is caused by the unequal heating of the Earth's surface. When the air above a certain region becomes warm and light, it rises, and heavier, cooler air sweeps across from another area to take its place. This movement of air is called wind. Atmospheric pressure also affects the movement of wind, which always flows from a region of high pressure to that of a low pressure. The difference in pressure between the two areas determines the speed with which the wind blows. If there is a small difference, we feel a breeze. If the difference is large, it leads to a storm. If the wind is flowing over a large water body, such as a sea, it can pick up moisture and carry clouds and rain with it. Lower pressure usually means stormy weather and rain, while high pressure usually means lots of sun and not much wind. There are other factors such as the ocean currents created by the Earth's rotation, which also influences weather. And the blowing wind. So I'm going to read that first and then show you guys a picture. So the blowing wind. The wind always blows from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. So that's what I was talking about right there. So what I'm assuming here, you guys, is that the H is high and the L is low. Let's move on to the next page. How are clouds formed? The answer is, and sorry I don't say the answer is every single time. I apologize about that. If you want me to do that, please let me know in the comments down below. The sun's heat, the sun's heat causes water in the oceans, rivers, and lakes to evaporate and form water vapor. The warm water vapor rises upward, and as it rises, it cools down. As a result, the water vapor in the air condenses to form clouds containing tiny droplets of water. These droplets grow larger in size and finally fall down as rain. Sometimes the temperature is so low that these droplets freeze into ice crystals and fall down as snow. The water cycle. So the water cycle is this right here, this picture right here. The water cycle. All the water in the Earth's atmosphere, both on its surface and underground, is a part of the water cycle. The water is recycled again and again. So I'm going to read you guys these and then show the picture again. So, let's see, where does it start? Does it start here? So snow melts down to streams. Water stored in the oceans. Evaporation, transpiration, condensation, water stored in the atmosphere, precipitation, and water stored in ice and snow. Show you guys the picture. Cold places. The closer you are to the North or South Pole, the colder it is. Some animals have adapted to so they can survive in the freezing temperatures. And as you guys see, the polar bears. Polar bears are one of those animals that live in those cold places. Question: which is the place on the Earth that has the coldest climate? The answer is, the climate of Antarctica is the coldest on Earth. Nearly all of Antarctica is covered with an ice sheet about 2.5 kilometers thick. The lowest temperature recorded on this continent is minus 89.6 Celsius, which is minus 128.56 Fahrenheit, at Vostok Research Station at the center of the East Antarctic ice sheet. Solstice and Equinox. In the northern hemisphere, the longest day falls during the summer, on June 21st. When the northern half of the Earth is tipped toward the sun, this is known as the summer solstice. In the extreme north, the sun does not set at all during this period. During the winter solstice, December 22nd, the northern part of the Earth is tipped away from the sun, resulting in the longest night of the year. On September 23rd and March 21st, the Earth is positioned in such a way that the length of day and night is equal, 12 hours each. These days are known as the autumnal and spring equinoxes, respectively. Sorry if I mispronounced those words wrong. There you go. Now, let's read these. Try these too. Earth's atmosphere, 8.9. Hurricanes and tornadoes, 22 to 23. Try these two are the page numbers. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And tomorrow, we're going to be talking about mountains, valleys, and caves. Give you guys a sneak preview. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Mountains, valleys, and caves are tomorrow. And if you liked Seasons and Climates video, click that like button, comment down below, and also hit that notification bell as well, so you guys can be notified when I make new videos. And don't forget to share as well, and subscribe. I only have 1 subscriber, so don't forget to subscribe. And also subscribe to my vlog channel, which I have 544 so far. And also don't forget to subscribe to my virtual Pride Committee page. I worked really hard on that page. And I don't have that much content on there right now. But, you know, I don't have anybody that has joined yet. And I really want that to be something to come true. So, again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Austin Quest. Don't forget to subscribe to my Austin Hanch vlog channel and also my virtual Pride Committee channel. Alright, and again, as always, thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Alright, peace.